Hello friends, and welcome to another online game review from This Week in Gambling. Today we're taking a look at the Lightning Fortune online slot from the good folk at Kalamba. This game comes with a buy bonus, free spins, and the K Boost feature where players collect star symbols to fill the free spins meters. When matching symbols land on the first two reels, the K Cash feature is activated, allowing players to collect the cash prizes that land. This game has a 6-reel asymmetric layout, 3,600 pay lines, and both wild and scatter symbols. If you enjoyed our review for the Lightning Fortune online slot, then be sure you visit our YouTube channel, because there we have hundreds of other game reviews for online slot machines, land-based slot games, and other casino games. While you're there, support our channel by taking just a moment to click that subscribe button.